Before we start importing your contact list into the platform, we need to make sure that the formatting of your CSV file or spreadsheet is correct. Firstly, make sure that your cell phone numbers are always in the first column. Take note of the 3 allowed formats for your cell numbers. Let's create our first group of contacts. Click on the Contacts link in the left menu. Then, click Create Group button. Now give your group of contacts a name and a description. Click the Create button. Now we need to import our list of contacts from our spreadsheet or CSV file. To do that, select the 3 dots menu to the top right of the screen and select Import. Then click Select to upload. Select your file and click Open. Once your contacts have been successfully loaded, click Next. If your columns have headings in the first row, as in this example, check the first row has heading box and click Next. Your list of contacts have now been successfully imported. To view your contacts in your group, click Add/Edit Groups in the left menu. Then click the 3-dot menu to the right of your screen. Then click View. Thanks for watching.